Hello. You ever been out camping? You know, just working on your place, getting some things done, cooking a little meal, moving little stumps. Yeah. And then think to yourself, I sure am dirty. I'd like to get me a shower. Be nice to have some hot water. So that's what I did. I hooked me up a way to get hot water by making a fire in that barrel. It's warming that water up right there. And then in here, got myself a little bathroom. Regular old little bucket. There's a spot for my shampoo, towels, the shower head right there. Oh, looky there. I'll get a better bath than that later. I think this will work though.